Hi. Welcome to Ewinsislab product demonstration. This videography is the demonstration of our laminar flow safety cabinets. First we discuss, what is the laminar flow safety cabinets? A laminar flow hood or cabinet is an enclosed workstation that is used to create a contamination-free work environment through filters to capture all the particles entering the cabinet. These cabinets are designed to protect the work from the environment and are most useful for the aseptic distribution of specific media and plate pouring. Laminar flow cabinets are similar to biosafety cabinets, with the only difference being that in laminar flow cabinets, the effluent air is drawn into the face of the user. In a biosafety cabinet, both the sample and user are protected, while in the laminar flow cabinet, only the sample is protected and not the user. Types of safety cabinets, that's we deals. First is vertical laminar flow cabinet. In the vertical flow cabinets, the air moves from the top of the cabinet directly towards the bottom of the cabinet. Second is horizontal laminar flow cabinet. In the horizontal laminar flow cabinets, the surrounding air comes from behind the working bench, which is then projected by the blower towards the HEPA filters. Component specifications. 1. Cabinet. The cabinet is made up of stainless steel, with less or no gaps or joints, preventing the collection of spores. The cabinet provides insulation to the inner environment and protects it from the outside environment. The front of the cabinet is provided with a glass shield, which in some laminar cabinets opens entirely or in some has two openings for the user's hands to enter the cabinet. 2. Working station. A flat working station is present inside the cabinet for all the processes to be taken place. Culture plates, burner and loops are all placed on the working station where the operation takes place. 4. HEPA filter. The high-efficiency particulate air filter with 0.3 and efficiency 99.9% is present within the cabinet that makes the environment more sterile for the operation. The pre-filtered air passes through the filter, which traps fungi, bacteria, and other dust particles. The filter ensures a sterile condition inside the cabinet, thus reducing the chances of contamination. 5. Medical-grade UV lamp. We have a UV germicidal lamp with specification of UVC radiation with wavelength of 254 nanometers. That can be sterilizes the interior of the cabinet and contents before the operation. The UV lamp is to be turned on 15 minutes before the operation to prevent the exposure of UV to the body surface of the user. Our brochure of technical specification, in which we have been mentioned all standard and optional features as per UV equipment and essentials. For more detail and order, email us.
Thanks for watching Ewinsislab. For more updates, subscribe us on YouTube or log on www.ewinsislab.com.